Hey guys, it's Greta, and today I have a how-to tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to do a rope braid. I want to thank you so much for being here on my channel today. If you're new and you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I do make videos weekly revolving around hair and healthy living. So if you're interested in that kind of content, definitely take a look at some of my other videos. To begin, I've already gone ahead and brushed through my hair to rid it of any tangles. Secondly, to create a rope braid, what you're going to do is separate your hair into two sections. What I like to do is take one finger, poke it right through the center of all my hair, making sure both of those are fairly even. And this is pretty simple. Once you get it, it's just kind of like muscle memory. What you're gonna do is you're gonna twist both pieces to the same way. So I'm both going to the right. So twisting that to the right and then twisting themselves over each other in the opposite direction. So twisted it to the right, now twist them to the left. Twist them to the right, twist them to the left. So individually they're being twisted to the right, and then as they come together they're being twisted to the left, and that's what locks this braid into place so that when you let go it will not separate. As I go down, I tend to just twist one side and then flip it over to the next side, twist that next one, and then flip it over. To me, that's easier to handle it as my hair gets shorter towards the ends. So now I'll go ahead and show you with a hair elastic. I'm just gonna pinch it there at the bottom. Have my hair elastic. Just like to keep them on my pinky so that they're easy for me to grab. And then here's the test. I'm gonna let go, and it doesn't go anywhere. So you have this really nice twisted rope braid. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how it will work if you do it wrong. So again, with my two sections, I'm going to just twist them. Okay, twisting, and then I'm gonna twist them the other way. Alright guys, I do hope this was super easy for you. It's actually really not complicated at all, and as soon as you get that muscle memory of twisting one direction and then over the opposite direction, it really comes so naturally. One thing to remember is you can twist to the left and then over the right, or twist to the right and then over the left. It doesn't matter, and whatever comes easier for your hands, do it that way. If you have any problems with this or you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below for me and I'll do my best to answer those for you. I will hope to see you in my next video, and let me know too in the comments what kind of tutorials for hairstyles you'd like to see next. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!